Video is about flush mounting a joint 10.1 screen into the center dash of a 1993 Chevy Silverado pickup OBS, and it's this is flush mounting it. And what I did was I took the stock factory OEM plate, center console plate, and cut out a slot to fit the screen in. It barely fits in there. It just fits, as you can see there. It just fits right in there. And then mounted it, glued some of this ABS plastic with, and I like to use ABS pipe glue, just the regular old ABS pipe glue you buy down at the hardware store, and made a plate to go behind there, and had to change some fasteners around, and screwed it in there, and that's what it looks like, all done and said. Thanks for watching.